How to delete all files from Google Drive at once. So if you want to delete all files from your Google Drive at once, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with the top right, which has Google Apps. And from here, you need to select the drive. You can go with drive.google.com and make sure to log into your account. Now you need to go with My Drive and you need to just go with the files. Like for example, if I want to individual file, then I'll just simply select the individual file and delete. You'll have the delete option. You can delete it individually. But if you want to delete everything at once, then what you need to do is you can use a keyboard shortcut. You can either select all of the files like this, or you can also go with Control A, press Control A on your keyboard and it will select all of your files. And after that, you can go with delete and the files will be deleted. You can go with the bin icon where you will have all of your deleted files. It will be stored here for 30 days. If you have deleted any important files, you can go and recover it from here, or you can just simply go and delete or empty bin if you don't want anything from your recovery bin. That's how you can delete your files all at once on your drive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.